Hi everyone, I'm Smita. This is my first ever video in home decor. So I thought I will make my first video from my inspiration. So this is a time when I thought I will sell my unit and I wanted to do some decoration. Initially I thought I will hire someone, but it was very costly hiring someone to do your home decor, and especially the time when you are selling the house, definitely you don't want to spend too much money into it. So then I thought, okay, no, I will do it by myself. And I started from my covered pivot area. And it was really good, spacious. And I'm really sorry I couldn't take the video that time because I didn't even think I will make any time video on home decor. So I just have few images and the way I did and what I did. It's all about that and how I utilize the space and of what I wanted. So let's begin.
This is my old house covered patio area. As you can see, this is really good, sunny, bright. But the problem was it was not cozy and our neighbor's window was very close. So I wanted to give more good and cozy look so that I can utilize more and I can sit here and relax. So I went to Bunnings and bought the JavaScript fencing. So it was looking very nice when I saw there, but as soon as I put all together, it was not giving me that nice look. It was all right, but I wanted to give more fashionable, more private, beautiful look. But in short, here I was not happy. So I thought, okay, let's go again and look some another option. So again I went to Bunnings and saw few more options, and finally I found a really good fencing which was PVC fencing. And I started putting all together and it was very easy to install, easy to put all together. I was so happy with the final result. Then I thought, okay, let's put some more greenery as I already had fake leaf tiles. So which I got it from the Amazon, and I tried few combination, but as you can see, this combination was looking very nice. I put tables and some rugs, fairy lights, and all together I was so happy with the result.